Most people think starting a business requires a lot of money, but the truth is, some of the easiest opportunities are hiding in everyday problems people ignore. No big investment, no shop, just simple skills that solve real needs. Today, we're breaking down 10 small business ideas you can start from home with almost zero investment. They're based on real-time demand, and a quick online search will show you plenty of people already doing them successfully. Just maybe not in your city yet, which is your real advantage. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Business Dash for more real-world business ideas. Let's dive in.
1. Motorcycle helmet cleaning. Here's something most riders never admit. The inside of their helmet is usually dirtier than their shoes. Sweat builds up in the padding, dust collects around the vents, and the visor slowly loses clarity. It's uncomfortable, but cleaning a helmet properly feels like a chore, and that's where this service fits perfectly. With a handheld steam cleaner, deodorizing foam, soft brushes, and a clean workspace, you can turn a dull, sweaty helmet into something that looks new again. A standard clean in most cities goes for around $5 to $10, depending on the condition. The best part? The transformation is visible instantly. Post one before and after clip online, and riders will start messaging you without hesitation. Delivery drivers, commuters, and motorcycle groups love this service because it saves time and improves hygiene. It's simple, practical, and one of the easiest entry-level skills to learn. 2. Shoe repair and quick fixing. Shoes break at the worst possible time. Soles peel off, stitching pops, zippers jam. Most people don't know how to fix any of that, so they stash the shoes away or throw them out completely. With a strong adhesive, replacement zippers, a stitching kit, and a steady hand, you can offer quick repairs right from home. Regluing soles, fixing seams, and replacing zippers are the most common tasks. Depending on the damage, repairs usually range from $5 to $25. Customers don't just want their shoes fixed, they want them fixed fast. That's your advantage. A clean workspace, quick turnaround, and simple communication are enough to build trust. Short videos showing a damaged shoe being restored grab attention online immediately. And once someone finds a reliable repair person, they keep returning with every pair they own. It's a classic service with non-stop demand. 3. Sneaker cleaning. Sneakers are more than shoes now. They're style, identity, and sometimes even collectibles. And when they get dirty, people panic. With a portable washer, soft brushes, gentle detergent, and a drying rack, you can offer a full sneaker refresh from a small workspace. The process is simple. Pre-brush, treat stains, run a gentle wash, dry naturally, and finish with a clean polish. Most cleaning jobs for everyday sneakers fall around $3 to $10, depending on material and condition. But here's the secret. Sneaker cleaning is visually satisfying. A dirty-to-clean transformation video can pull views instantly, and customers love seeing their shoes restored. Collectors, students, gym users, and everyday buyers always need this service. And because the results are so visible, your work becomes your marketing. It's modern, clean, and requires almost no space to start. 5. Water tank and cistern cleaning. Here's a problem most homes have and almost nobody checks. Water tanks slowly collect sediment, algae, and dirt inside. Families use that water every day without realizing how dirty it gets. With a long-handled brush, a small water pump, disinfectant safe for tank cleaning, and protective gloves, you can offer a service that instantly improves water quality. The process is simple. Drain the tank, scrub every wall thoroughly, flush the lines, and refill. A standard cleaning usually lands around $25 to $50, depending on the tank size. The reaction people have when they see the before water is shocking, and that's why this service spreads fast through word of mouth. Homes, shops, schools, and small buildings need this regularly, but rarely schedule it. Clean tools, clear communication, and consistent work turn this into a trusted, meaningful service that genuinely helps people.
6. Furniture assembly and disassembly. Flat pack furniture looks easy until the customer opens the box and sees 1,000 screws and a manual that makes no sense. That frustration is exactly why this service stays busy. With a cordless screwdriver, a simple toolkit, and patience, you can assemble desks, beds, closets, shelves, and TV units without needing a shop. This assembly is equally valuable, especially when people move apartments. Most assembly jobs fall between $15 and $40, depending on size and complexity. The workflow is simple. Arrive on time, read the manual, build it safely, and leave the area clean. Customers appreciate professionalism more than anything. Urban areas, student housing, and new developments are perfect for this service because people buy furniture constantly. Short time-lapse videos of you assembling pieces work extremely well online. It's hands-on, mobile, and one of the most beginner-friendly services you can offer.
7. Mobile car or motorcycle wash. A mobile wash doesn't compete with regular car washes. It beats them. Why? Because people love saving time. You show up at their home, office, or parking spot and clean their vehicle without them moving an inch. All you need is a compact pressure washer, car shampoo, microfiber towels, and a small water tank if required. A standard wash normally falls around $10 to $25, depending on vehicle type and detailing level. The best part is how visual this service is. A clean hood, shiny wheels, and a refreshed interior create powerful before and after moments that bring customers instantly. You can also offer add-ons like dashboard cleaning, tire shine, vacuuming, or light waxing. It works especially well in busy neighborhoods, residential towers, and office areas. Clean tools, punctuality, and respectful communication turn this into a reliable, flexible, and easy-to-scale service.
Embroidery and custom stitching. Embroidery turns simple items into personalized products people feel connected to. With a small automatic machine, stabilizer sheets, and quality thread, you can stitch names, logos, initials, and patterns on shirts, hats, tote bags, and towels right from home. Simple designs typically fall between $5 and $20, depending on size and detail. The process is surprisingly satisfying. Digitize the design, prepare the fabric, set the hoop, run the stitch, and finish with trimming and packaging. Customers include small businesses wanting uniforms, sports teams, gift buyers, and people who want something custom. The best marketing tool? Video. The embroidery machine stitching a logo is visually addictive. People love watching it. With a clean table, good lighting, and organized supplies, you can operate this service from even the smallest room. It's creative, low competition, and builds a loyal customer base quickly. 9. Event table, chair, and tent rental. Small events happen almost every weekend. Birthdays, school parties, family gatherings, and community celebrations. All of them need basic furniture. With a small inventory of foldable tables, chairs, and a couple of lightweight tents, you can rent everything out for short events. A simple setup for a small party typically ranges between $80 and $150, depending on delivery and quantity. The workflow is straightforward. Deliver the items, set up if needed, return after the event, clean everything, and store it properly. Customers value organization and punctuality more than anything else. You can promote this service through local groups, neighborhood pages, schools, and party organizers. A small garage or even a corner of a room is enough for storage. It's a repeat booking service. If you show reliability once, customers come back for every gathering they host. 10. Inflatable bounce house rental. Bounce houses are a staple at children's parties, and renting them out is one of the simplest weekend services you can run. With 1 or 2 inflatables, a blower, ground stakes, and a basic cleaning routine, you're ready to start. Daily rental costs typically fall between $40 and $100, depending on size and style. Your job is simple: deliver the inflatable, set it up safely, check stability, and pick it up after the event. Parents care deeply about cleanliness and safety, so regular sanitizing and careful storage matter. Schools, birthday organizers, and community centers always look for fun activities, so marketing is easy. Posting photos or short clips of the inflatable during events quickly builds trust. It doesn't require a shop or a large space, just a dry storage area and consistent care. It's fun, family-focused, and fills a real need in almost every neighborhood.
These ideas prove something simple. You don't need a lot of money to start. You just need a service people already want. Choose one idea, learn it, and build it step by step. Small skills turn into real opportunities when you take them seriously. And if you want more real-world ideas like these, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Business Dash because Part 2 is coming soon. If you need more details about any idea in this video, drop a comment and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.